Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to Mr. Sharu's class. Today we are going to learn about I Am Hungry, Unit 5. Today's 12 are I can know the food from the pictures and I can say more about the food I see. Do you still remember Mr. Shahrul's kitchen? Great! Today we are going to make something in Mr. Shahrul's kitchen. Are you ready, guys? Great! Before we make some food, Mr. Shahrul wants you to listen to a song. Are you ready, guys? Let's listen.
I'm hungry, what can we make? There's some flour in the cupboard, there's some chocolate and some sugar. Let's make some biscuits, let's make some biscuits, let's make some biscuits now.
There's some lettuce on the table. There are some tomatoes and some onions. Let's make some salad. Let's make some salad. Let's make some salad now.
Alright. So now we are going to make biscuits and also salad. Let's take a look. In order to make biscuits, we need these few ingredients. Ingredients are the things you need to make something. The first one we need is the sugar. Sugar are sweet, yeah? Sugar. Repeat after me. Sugar. Great. The next one is we have flour. Flour. Flour is very important in making biscuits. You need flour to make bread as well. The last one is something I like and you might like as well. Chocolate. Chocolate. Repeat after me. Chocolate. Great. And the next thing is the salad. In this vegetable salad, we need 3 ingredients. The first one is tomato. Tomato. Repeat after me. Tomato. And the next one we need is lettuce. Lettuce. Repeat after me. Lettuce. And the next one is we need is onion. Onion. Repeat after me. Onion. Great. Today, we are going to take a look at 2 different kinds of things, which is countable and uncountable nouns. Countable and uncountable nouns. What are countables and uncountable nouns? Let's take a look at countable nouns. Countables are the things you can count, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's called countable nouns. For example, tomatoes. Can you count the tomatoes, guys? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 tomatoes here. So we can count tomatoes. The tomatoes are countable nouns. Boleh dikira, okay? Let's take a look at the next example we have. Onions. Onions. Can you count the onions, guys? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. So, can we count these onions? Yes, we can count these onions. The next one we have is biscuits. Biscuits. Can you count the biscuits for me? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 biscuits here. Let's move on to uncountable. Uncountable are the things that you cannot count. They are either too small or too much to be counted. We also cannot count something that is like the water. Are you ready, guys? The first one we have is flour. Can we count flour? No, it's too small to be counted. So flour is uncountable nouns. Tak boleh dikira, guys. The next one is lettuce. Lettuce is also an uncountable noun. Let's move on to the next one. Sugar. Sugar is too small to be counted. So they are also uncountable nouns. Can you count the sugar, guys? No, we can't. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that you can Let's revise the countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are the ones that you can count, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. But uncountables are the things that are too small, too much, or like water that we cannot count. So Mr. Sharuk is gonna give you some food. Then you are going to tell me that it is uncountable or countable. Are you ready? Great. The first one is we have a piece of peas. Can you count the peas? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Can you count? Yes, you can count the peas. It is called countable. Let's move on to the next example. It's countable. Let's move to the next example. The ketchup or the tomato sauce. Can you count the tomato sauce? We cannot count something that is liquid like the water. It is uncountable. Good try. Now we have pineapples. Can you count the pineapples? How many are they? Let's count together, guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can you count the pineapples? Yes, it is countable. Very good. The next one is we have honey. Can you count honey? No, it is uncountable. We cannot count honey. Peppers. How many peppers are there? 1, 2, and 3. So, is it countable or uncountable? Ready with your answer? Let's check. Countable nouns. Very good. Coconuts. How many coconuts do we have here? So is it a countable nouns or uncountable nouns? Ready with your answer? Let's check. Countable nouns. Good job, guys. Ice cream. Can you count an ice cream? Ready with your answer? It is uncountable. The last one we have is water. Can you count the water? Ready with your answer? Let's check. Yes, it is uncountable nouns. Good job, guys. That's all for today, class. Thank you for joining me. And see you again, guys. Good job.